Today is the day you've all been waiting for. After nearly 2 years of hard work, sanding sucks. We're finally here, and we're finally gonna get some primer on this boat. We are Murray, Heather, Eve, and Pearl Ginnick. In September 2022, we bought this project sailboat. Join us for the journey as we turn this boat into our floating home on the water to hopefully one day sail around the world. Before diving into today's activities, let me briefly explain to you why it's taken us so long to get to this point. Murray and I both lead busy lives. Murray runs a contracting company and I work full-time. We also manage multiple properties that need ongoing maintenance and emergency repairs. It seems that if anything's going to go wrong, it's going to go wrong on a day when we're supposed to work on the boat. On top of that, we have 2 kids, little kids, 4 and 6. And all our family lives 5 hours away, so getting a babysitter is not really in the cards. And the 5-hour away family require trips home every few months, so that eats up a lot of precious weekends. Precious weekends where we could be working on the boat. Since this is the last bit before school starts, we took both kids out of day camp and daycare so that we could spend some time with them before they had to start school. However, with our youngest starting school and my treatment for piriformis syndrome, I'm finally having some relief and being able to not only move around more, but also sit at the computer to try to get a video out. Now let's talk boat work. Sanding. Oh, the joy of sanding. No boat owner really enjoys this task, but it's absolutely essential for making sure that the fiberglass and paint adhere to the boat. After sanding, we applied Bondo filler to any uneven areas to try to prevent any further sanding. Of course, we'll have to sand the Bondo a little bit, but we try to make it as smooth a surface as possible. Sanding sucks. Okay, so the boat is sanded and now it's time to prime. So we have to blow the boat off so that there's no more dust and then acetone it. Our goal was to paint the entire cabin top and then try to get the back and the decks done. However, with kids in 2 different locations, we only had about 6 hours a day where we could actually get boat work done. We also had plans to attend the emo fair, which was basically a great big family gathering, and we had committed to being there on Thursday night. So that meant that whatever primer wasn't applied before we left would have to wait until we got back. So prior to leaving, we tarped the boat, and when we came back, we were welcomed back with a cockpit full of water. So join us next time to see the boat receive the rest of her primer, and maybe we'll even get some paint on her.